much snow today. We came out and were surprised by the accumulation. Oh, it's cold. It is Saturday. We are at the Assembly Chef's Hall. We just had lunch and it was delicious. We both got ramen from Ramen Isshin. I got the white sesame shio and hubby got the charcuterie, I think it's called. Both were delicious. We also got the house-made ginger ale, and it's very, very good. It's not too sweet. It's got a nice ginger kick to it, and it's extremely refreshing. There's so many places here I want to try. There's also a huge patio that I think they're working on building. If you download the Assembly Chef's Hall app, you get this voucher for a free coffee. Hubby got a coffee from Bulldog, and I got a delicious mochaccino from Tokyo Smoke. We also bought this giant cookie. It's a cookie sandwich. In the middle, it is a cream cheese buttercream icing. This is the red velvet. I'll tell you guys how heavy this is. It is so heavy. It looks really decadent. So hubby and I are gonna share this now. And in this section of the Chef's Hall, they play sports. Chase game. It is such a beautiful, beautiful day out. After hubby and I had ramen at Assembly Chef's Hall, we went to St. Lawrence Market to pick up a few things. We might do a little bit of wine and cheese tonight. Not too sure yet. We are super full from that huge cookie sandwich. We ate rather early at around 1 o'clock, so I'm thinking we might want a little nibble down the road. We have a little bit of charcuterie to finish up. We bought a bit more cheese. We bought some blue cheese olives, some niçoise olives, and also some cipollini. And we might have that with burrata, with brie de meaux, and some wine, maybe some port later. So that'll be really nice. I am really, really thirsty, so let me just guzzle a bit of water. We've also done a bit of spring cleaning in the condo, vacuumed, did laundry, wiped down some surfaces, opened the windows to let the air in, turned off the heat. Beautiful spring weather, and that always gets me in the mood to do a lot of errands and such. We came home and dropped off our groceries, and then we took Lulu out for a little walk. She looked over when I said walk. We just took her basically around the block. She doesn't really like to go for walks. She would much rather run free. So we just took her out for a little bit to get some fresh air and some exercise, and then I did a little 10-minute workout. I haven't really been into doing yoga videos or anything recently. I also don't really like going to the gym. All I do is I basically lay out my yoga mat in the kitchen. It's a really, really small space, very narrow, but the perfect size for my yoga mat. I do a little bit of just random ad hoc exercises on my own. So I'll usually do plank, some yoga, some sun salutations and the like, and then I'll take out my body bar and I might do a little bit of kind of like arm exercises for the biceps, the triceps. It's a 9-pound body bar. I'll also do some squats and such with the body bar just kind of across my shoulders. That was the workout. I didn't really do abs today. Tomorrow when I do my 10-minute workout, I'll probably, instead of using the body bar, I'll do still the plank, maybe a little bit of yoga, and also some ab exercises. I forgot to mention, the main thing we wanted to get at St. Lawrence Market was this mustard. This is my absolute favorite mustard. It's a sweet and smoky. Hubby lately has been putting a little bit of mustard in his salad. We decided to stock up on this one because it is so, so good. If you buy 4 or more, they're $5 each. Otherwise, they're $6, but we're gonna go through this. And she was really sweet and gave us this reusable bag. Hey everyone, happy Sunday. Hubby and I are enjoying the beautiful weather. We're gonna be heading to Chinatown for dim sum. 同你哋傾下偈，喺出邊唞下啦。而家係13度，好多太陽。我哋今日去咗飲茶，我哋好中意食點心，食咗啲燒賣、叉燒包。腸粉、芒果布甸、糯米雞，仲有叫咗啲咩排骨，我諗係咁多。我哋多數都係叫呢啲咁嘅嘢。我哋飲咗茶之後，去咗個 bakery 買咗啲包、叉燒包、雞尾包，買 咗啲蛋撻拎翻嚟屋企食。我哋買好多啲包，我哋睇下第二啲人買咗2-3個包。我哋買咗20幾個。Okay, that was a bit of a struggle, so I think I am done vlogging in Chinese for the time being. I will also put in subtitles. It will be time consuming to put those in, so I don't want too much Chinese footage, and I don't know that much Chinese. I kind of struggled through that, but I'm hoping as I keep continuing to practice, I will get a little bit better. We're also starting to watch Fear the Walking Dead. We watched the season premiere last week after the season finale of The Walking Dead, and I really enjoyed it. Hubby and I are going to start from the beginning and watch seasons 1 and 2, I believe, are on Prime Video. Hubby has tried to watch it before and he said the first few episodes were interesting, but then it got kind of boring. I've only watched 2 episodes so far, but I really liked them both, so I'm eager to watch the rest. Here is dinner this evening. I've been making a cumin scented rice. It's basically basmati rice with chicken stock and some cumin powder. Tastes really good. It's very fragrant. This is the ginger pork recipe we got from Japan, but I did my little take on it. I put some Korean gochujang and also some spinach. We're eating that with kimchi, and I'm gonna have a couple of pickled plums. We got this Purina Dental Life. It's like a little... Lulu, no. It's an oral care dog treat. Lulu doesn't normally get these, but we're gonna let her try it. She's watching us watch the Leaf game right now. I think we're bothering her because we keep yelling at the TV. She looks very concerned, so we're gonna give her this and see how she likes it. So it looks pretty big, but see. Oh, okay.
To center, puck dumped by Mechanics, disaster averted by the Maple Leafs. They get the change. Marchand, now passes off on the wing. Bergeron into the middle.
I thought it was... I wonder how she ate it so fast. What? It was so long. I thought it was like a chew toy thing. I guess it is a treat. It's like processed food. It was so hard. I didn't think she could eat so much of it. She really likes it. Well, it didn't even last for 1 period.
I wanted to update you guys on the spit test. I think it was the last vlog or maybe 2 vlogs ago I talked about doing the salivary test for stress hormones. It's for my cortisol levels at various points throughout the day. I had to essentially spit into a tube and then they go ahead and analyze that. My results came back, I guess, as expected. It looks like I'm in the early stages or borderline experiencing adrenal fatigue or exhaustion. I'll put my results up on the screen and also a patient document that they have on this particular lab's website, a classic case of adrenal fatigue. All of my cortisol points were within the so-called normal range, but on the very low spectrum. So that would explain a lot of the fatigue that I've been feeling, a lot more sensitivity to stress and all of that. My naturopath and I talked about it for a while. We're still gonna do some more tests, but in the meantime, of course, she wants me to improve my diet. You guys know I eat relatively healthy, although I do indulge quite a bit. I am a big sugar fanatic. Hubby and I go out to eat on the weekends, and last weekend in particular we had that huge cookie sandwich from Assembly Chef's Hall. I do have a little bit of a sugar addiction. I have chocolate or cookies or something processed with refined sugar pretty much every day. I'll do peanut M&Ms or chocolate covered caramels. I just love sugar. But my naturopath says that is not helping my adrenals. So I'm gonna try to eat a lot healthier. I definitely need to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into my diet because I tend to eat a lot of pasta and rice, as you guys may know. And case in point, I'm gonna show you my breakfast, which is a lot of rice, but I'm trying to finish it up. I have a little bit of cumin scented basmati left and I love that stuff, so I've got about a cup of that. I scrambled up 2 eggs, wilted some spinach, and that's going to be my breakfast. I also sprinkled on some hemp hearts, and of course I have a little bit of hot sauce on the side. So I'm gonna try to incorporate some protein and a lot of fruits and vegetables into each meal. I am still intermittent fasting, but I'm doing my version where I eat breakfast and dinner. Typically I would do lunch and dinner, but I don't want to fiddle around with my Invisalign when I'm at work. Before I scarf this all down, I just want to show you this is a huge bowl of rice, eggs, and spinach. Maybe it's more than a cup of rice. I wanted to finish it all because it's been a couple of days and we're approaching the weekend, so I probably won't be eating at home much. I did get blood work done today as well, so that's why I've got the little boo-boo. Tonight hubby and I have plans to go back to Assembly Chef's Hall because we want ramen again. When I have some extra time in the morning, I like to make a couple scrambled eggs, some wilted spinach, and a sweet potato. I also have, of course, a little bit of hot sauce. On top of my scrambled eggs, I have a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Hubby and I are heading to the Marlies game. It was raining earlier and it had stopped, but now it seems to be starting up again. The Leafs are out, but we still have the Marlies to cheer for, so we're gonna check out a game. I actually entered to win tickets, and I ended up winning 4 tickets. Asked a couple of our friends to join us, and we're gonna be meeting them there. I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I've been really bad at recording regular videos, which is why I haven't posted this vlog yet. I wanted to alternate between vlogs and regular videos, but I may not do that anymore. I've been so lazy about filming regular videos that I'm kind of behind on my vlogs now too. Before I go, I just wanted to mention that I took my friend out for her birthday. Actually, I took 2 of my friends out for their birthdays. One of my friends I took to Kin, and I love that restaurant, but she actually ended up getting sick, unfortunately. I don't think it was the food because we shared everything, but yeah. But we saw each other the next day and it was still a lot of fun. I'm actually seeing her tonight as well. This past Saturday, I took my friend to watch a film. Hot Docs is on right now, so I've watched 3 food films. All 3 of them are really good. One is called The Heat, the other one's called Chef Flynn, and the third one, which we watched on Sunday, is called Constructing Albert. Recommend all of them. Chef Flynn was probably my favorite one. All of them had Q&A after, which was super nice to see some of the directors, and 3 of the chefs were there for The Heat. After the film, we went to Icha Tea. My first time there. My friend has been there a few times before and she recommended it. I really enjoyed it. I had the rose jasmine with soy milk and it was delicious. Then we went to Cafe Can for her birthday, and the food and the drinks were amazing. We had a really good time. They had a little amuse-bouche that was squash soup. For appetizers, I got 3 oysters and my friend got the escargot. She let me eat one of the escargot and it was really delicious, very buttery and garlicky. For our main course, we both ordered the duck confit. The duck was really nice, and then for dessert, we shared the apple tart. So all in all, a great night. This is nice. It's like artwork. I just saw it when we were walking. Oh, this is where they had the skating probably. It's called the Bentway. And it's got art on the columns, seating. Remember when we were in Hong Kong and you saw that area that was, you said would look nice if the Gardner was like that? Looks like that. But that one had more like green space, more grass and stuff. This one's still nice though. Looks clean. Shipping container.
Go inside of it.
Yeah, maybe they did a art installation or something. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera away before it gets all wet. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you very soon with another one.